The Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and mop 35 visit. The Roborock store is a powerful cleaning device designed to handle dirt, debris, and pet hair with ease. Featuring 8,000 PA suction and upgraded from the Qrevo S model, this robot vacuum offers advanced obstacle avoidance and a tangle-free brush system. Its sleek black design complements its high-tech functionality. This robot vacuum includes an all-in-one docking station that empties dust into a sealed 2.7-liter bag, refills water from a 4-liter tank, and washes and dries mopping pads automatically. Dual 200 spinning mops with adjustable water levels and a 10 lift enable it to clean various floor types thoroughly, including low-pile carpets. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation system scans 360 degrees, creates detailed multi-floor maps, and avoids obstacles and no-go zones. Connectivity is supported via the Roborock app, watch, voice control, and widgets, operating on 2.4 Wi-Fi. Ideal for pet owners and busy households. The Qrevo 35 saves time and effort with its efficient cleaning and maintenance features. It is perfect for users seeking a smart, versatile solution to keep floors spotless. This model combines convenience and performance for a superior cleaning experience.